Can you imagine a battlefield where robots fight instead of humans? And what if India leads this revolutionary transformation? Let's dive deep into how India could dominate the future of warfare with advanced robotics. The nature of warfare is rapidly evolving. No longer is it just about soldiers and weapons. Artificial intelligence and robotics are reshaping the battlefield. As a rising technological power, India has the potential to lead this revolution. But how can India use robotics to transform future warfare? Let's uncover the possibilities. Robotics is redefining how wars are fought. AI-powered robots are bulletproof, lightning-fast, and capable of precise targeting. Autonomous drones can scout, attack, and even deliver supplies in hostile territories. India's DRDO is already developing AI-powered drones and autonomous vehicles to strengthen its defense systems. But how will India leverage this technology to secure its position on the global stage? India can deploy robotics in three key areas: drone strikes, AI drones for surveillance and precision attacks, autonomous ground vehicles, robotic soldiers reducing human casualties, cyber defense, robots equipped to prevent and counter cyber threats. India is currently testing smart drone systems and miniature robotic sensors to secure its borders and strengthen its military. But what will future battlefields look like with India's robotics? Let's find out. Imagine this: robots guarding India's borders instead of human soldiers, AI-powered tanks and vehicles launching precision strikes, commanders controlling battles through virtual reality systems. India's HAL and DRDO are co-developing drones that could revolutionize the battlefield. AI-enhanced tanks like the Arjun Mark II are in the pipeline. With great power comes great responsibility. Here are the challenges. Decision-making errors. What if AI makes a fatal mistake? Human-robot balance. Will robots entirely replace humans? Ethical concerns. Will robotic warfare pose a threat to humanity and international relations? Can these challenges be overcome? And how will India lead the way? India has the potential to lead the world in robotics and AI-driven warfare. With DRDO, HAL, and private tech firms working together, India could bring about a technological revolution in defense. However, the ethical use of this technology will determine its true impact. So, what do you think? Can robots take over the battlefield? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.